Planner Wednesday. This spread is from Monday the 25th of May through the 31st of May. And what I want to do this week is, as you probably saw in today's Dollar Tree haul that I put up, I hauled a bunch of stickers as well as some other things, and I thought these stickers were so cute. They're crafter square, and I decided this week I would deviate from my movie reviews, and I'll get back to them probably like in 2 weeks, but I just love these stickers. So I decided I wanted to do those, and I had this paper. I've had this paper for quite a while. I got it, I believe, at Joann's when they had 4 for $1. And I think this is so cute. And then I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree washi. And then just one of these little Paper Mate pins that I got during Christmas in, like, I think it was a pack of, 8. But I think this will work very nicely with this little theme of animals and Dollar Tree stickers. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I hope everyone watches Double Indemnity, the theme that I did last week. It's a very good movie. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread because I love it. It's just so whimsical, happy, and upbeat. And then this is just gorgeous. I love pink and I love purple. So this works very nicely. I've used this for another spread before. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. I just think this is going to be so cute. And I want to make sure that I have different animals on this page, so it'll spread them out. I think that's adorable. Okay, so let's start gluing our papers down. I think that is really cute. Oh, I love that. It is so upbeat, okay? So let's go ahead and put our washi down. Like I said, this washi is from the Dollar Tree. And it just reminded me of like a tropical washi when I saw it. So that's why I wanted to use it. It incorporates all the colors in here very nicely. I love the way Dollar Tree washi tears. Okay, then I'm going to go straight down through here. That is really cute. Okay, I really like that. Sometimes the most unusual combinations look the prettiest together. It almost reminds me of a quilt. Okay, so now we're going to get our stickers from the Dollar Tree. You can really create a planner very economically. Okay, and I think maybe I'll put this one right here. I like that little face, it's so cute. And then maybe this peacock, I'll put this one right here. And then this owl, he just looks like, don't bother me. He's adorable. And this little toucan, he's just so like, oh, I have it all going on, don't worry. I love this little flamingo. Put that one there. And this parrot, he is really cute. And the swan, she's adorable. And then one more, and I think I will put this little owl right here, okay? And then I'll just write down a very few things. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and we will take a look at this, but I love it. You can really, like I said, make a planner so inexpensively from stickers from the Dollar Tree and washi from the Dollar Tree. I just love how this turned out. It is just so happy and so summery. And after Memorial Day, I just feel like that really starts summer for us because it's so hot down here anyway. But I love this paper. I love these stickers. I love the washi. I think it all works very nicely together. So I will see you on Friday for a Dollar Tree DIY. I think this is going to be so cute. I'm really happy that everyone's enjoying them. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, guys, bye.